Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm not gonna have my face in the video, but it really doesn't need to be in the video. So today I'm going to be trying this hack, quote unquote. I seen this off of Instagram. This is not my idea. This is not my hack. If I can find the video again and tag the person down below or put their information down below, I definitely will. Again, I did not come up with this. I just seen it and I thought it would be cool for me to make a video for you guys just in case it works, just testing and trying it out. All right, so I feel like we all need ways of, like, you know, knowing how to remove the glue off of our hairline and off of our lace. The lace sometimes can be very, very tricky, especially when you have a lot of built up gunk and glue on your lace. Okay, so let me show you guys this lace that I have. So I have taken this wig off and put it on several times. So as you guys can see, it is a pretty built up. All right, sometimes this can be a hassle to get off, and I know a lot of ladies, they're just like, oh my goodness, what do I do? Well, let's try out this hack. So the hack is to take a sponge, and I just have like a regular little $1 kitchen sponge. Okay, you want to take a sponge, and the girl, she used some kind of other product when she did it, but I'm just going to be using some 91% alcohol. Okay, so it's always like things, some people say alcohol isn't good on the lace, some people say it's not good on the lace. It is good on the lace, but I've never had a problem with it on the lace. Okay, so let's try it, and it's kind of difficult for me to film in this angle, I'm sorry. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the alcohol and I'm going to spray it on the lace. Now, some of the things that I was worried about actually doing this is that I was worried that it was gonna wear my lace and actually mess up my lace because of this part, this little Brillo part. I felt like it would be really, really rough, but I guess we'll just see kind of how it works out. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray a lot of these to make sure I'm in the camera. Okay, so I'm gonna drench my lace with this, because back in the day when I used to use like cotton swabs and stuff to get this off, I would drench the lace. Okay, so I'm gonna drench this lace. I'm not gonna be shy, and this is 91% alcohol. You want to make sure you use some alcohol with a really high percentage. Okay, so I am going to start, and I'm just going to, oops, sorry, in the video she just did this. I don't know. Alright guys, so I have been scrubbing this lace for a little while now, and I'm going to show you guys what it is looking like. So I haven't made a lot of progress. I guess right here it was starting to kind of come off, but still not a whole lot of progress. As you guys could see, I'm really scrubbing, and I may actually be scrubbing too hard, which kind of worries me a little bit, because you could wear your lace, and when you wear your lace out, it's harder for your lace to actually adhere to your skin. Like if you put it down, your hair will, your lace wig will start to not lay down, because the lace will be worn and ruined. Okay, so I just don't completely know about this hack. Maybe if you go in with some other type of product, maybe it'll work. But as far as using like alcohol and this sponge, I did not have the best experience. I would really like for you guys to try it yourselves and let me know how it works out for y'all. But my cons about it is, I just feel like it would wear the lace too much. I feel like you should use something a little bit softer and kind of work section by section to get the glue or excessive adhesive off. Okay, I felt like this was like a super good idea because of the rough part. I thought that it was just gonna be a breeze and super easy, but it turns out it wasn't too much of a breeze for me. Okay, so anyways guys, try this hack and let me know how it works out for you, and yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Also, let me know if you guys are excited about me bringing back the tutorials. Are you learning something? Have you ever seen this done before? Do you do it? What is your best way of doing it? Would you like me to make videos on your best and favorite way of doing it? Whatever the case may be, just leave it down below. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.